Yes, sir.
So let us see. IUPAC name of carboxylic acid. Simple. This is the carboxylic acid.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So when you're talking about the IPAC name of carboxylic acid, so that is what the route we have to follow. Uh, First one is the prefix. Then the numbering we have to do numbering also. Numbering prefix. This is the numbering. Then prefix. Then it is going to be word root. Word root. Then this is going to be primary suffix. Okay, this is going to be primary suffix. And lastly, we have to write that is secondary suffix.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. And now when you talk about the secondary suffix, so already I told you this is the carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid group is COOH and its name is what? Oic acid, right? Oic acid, this one. Already
Yes,
know
sir.
primary suffix single bond, double bond, or it can be triple bond. Single bond means "-ane", double bond means "-ene", triple bond means
In,
"-ine".
ein.
Word root it is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. It can be C7 or more also. One carbon that can be, we have to write meth,
Meat,
two carbon
eat,
eth, prop,
prop, pute,
bute,
pent,
pent,
hex, hept,
hex, and last one is hept. Similarly, if
hept.
you are going prefix, already I told you that is F is there, so its name will be fluoro. You know, if Cl is there, its name will be what? Chloro. If Br is there, its
Yes,
name will be what? Bromo. If I is there, that
yes,
will be the iodo. Okay. If NO2 is there, that is its name will be nitro. Okay. If CH3 is there, this will be methyl. Okay, this is now when you talking about the rule is there, I am writing the rule that also you need to remember this rule. So rule is, what is the rule? Least number, what they are saying, least number is given to which one, to whom we have to give. Least number is given to functional group carbon. Least number is given to functional group carbon. Okay, group carbon. It means
yes.
that is start numbering from which carbon we have to start numbering from? C-double-OH carbon. This carbon itself we have to start numbering. This is what is
Okay,
the rule.
sir.
So we have to give less number to the COOH group. Are you able to understand this point?
Yes, sir.
Now let us try.
Sir, give an example.
That is what I am giving. Suppose I am having this one CH3, then I am having CH2, then I am having COOH, right? And if I need to count out, so from which direction we have to start? This is from the right side. This is not the right. This is actually left. This here to here left, and this is here to here right. So that is which direction shall we start the counting?
COH.
COS. So this is the 1, here is the 2, this is 3. Order of the numbering,
3.
how numbering we did. We'll have to write the name of prefix. There is no prefix. These type of groups are not there in the given compound. So we have to start from the word root. How many carbons are there, Janab?
3.
3 carbon. What we need to write for
Pro.
the 3? That is, we have to write that is pro. So here I am writing that is pro. Then we have to write what kind of bond is there? Single bond. So that is propane.
Single bond. Propane.
Propane. And then on the first position, what is there? Oic acid. So this is what is named as propanoic. Name of the compound is what? That is propanoic acid.
Propanoic acid.
Or that is, if directly you can write also PROPANOIC, propanoic acid. You need not to put the position if the carboxylic acid is on the first position. Is it okay to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Now come for the some more examples. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So here if you go, this is the compound is there, CH3, CH2, then I am having CH2, here is CH2, again CH2, and here is COOH, this is there. Now the next one we are writing, that is bond line formula also. 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4 and 5. How can you mention this compound? That is what the, here is the 1 2 3 4 5. So here we have to mention double bond O, and downside that is OH,
Sir, why double bond OH?
because this particular position, this is representing this carbon. This is the second carbon, this is the third carbon, this is fourth carbon, and this is the fifth carbon. Why double bond? Here that is structure of the oic acid is what? C double bond O and OH, or you can write that is C double OH. This is up to you how you are writing. This is the structure of that is oic acid. Oic acid. Are you be able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
So these two are the same. So now we are going to number it out. How can you number? This is the carbon number 1. Yes. This is 2.
Yes, sir.
This is 3. This is going to be 4. And here is 5. So we need to write the name of this compound. How to write? See, there is no prefix. Prefix is not there. So we have to start from word root. What is word root for this carbon?
Word root. Which carbon, sir? 1,
Total
2,
carbon is how
3,
many
4.
there? 5 carbon, na?
But.
5 carbon. See how many are
Okay,
there?
yeah, sorry. Pent.
Paint.
Pentane.
Paint in. Then E we are not writing. Why we are not writing? Because two vowel cannot be together.
ENE.
So E we have to remove because two vowel we cannot write together. So pentane 1 oic acid. Pentane 1 oic acid, because O and E. If you are writing like this one, it will be wrong. Pentane, then we are writing oic acid now.
Yes, sir.
So this will be wrong. Why? Because the rule is saying E and O both are the vowel. Yes, na? Both
Yes,
are
sir.
vowel. So two vowel cannot be together. So E we have to remove. Okay. So while writing, you
Yes,
need
sir.
to remove the first E. This we need not to write. So that is, if you are removing the E, so it will be named that is pentane 1 oic acid. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I move? I am giving you some more.
Sir, can you explain this once more? Because, sir, I'm not that good with this.
Okay.
Means like I didn't understand this properly. Means like 2 double OH. Means like that I didn't understand.
Wait. Let me erase this. It's very good that you are able to ask the problem. Here you see. OIC group, if you are writing that is OIC group. What is OIC group? OIC group. OIC group is, if you see, this is COOH. This is OIC group. This is the OIC group. Is structure, if you are drawing the OIC group, you can have to draw C double bond O, then it will be O and here is H. Okay. Or also you can write that is C double bond O and here is OH. This is what is OIC group. Anything you can mention. This you need to memorize, that how to mention the particular compound. Right? Getting this point?
No, sir.
This you are not getting this one. Structure you need to memorize now. You need to memorize this one.
Okay.
How? See, how can you memorize? Carbon is having how many bond? Carbon is having how many bond? Carbon bond is how much? 4. Oxygen bond is how much? Oxygen bond is how much? 2. Hydrogen
Two.
bond is how much? Hydrogen is
1.
1. Right? Very good. So you count out for this one. You count the number of bond. So here is
Okay.
how many are there? This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 4. Is it okay to you? 4 bond of carbon? Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Then oxygen, you count for the oxygen. I am making the diagram again.
2.
C double bond O, then H. So oxygen is how much? This is 1, this is 2. And hydrogen how much? That is 1. So are you be able to understand the bonding here, structure?
Yes, sir.
So this is the structure of the COOH. This you need to memorize. This you need to memorize the structure of. Now what I am going to do, I am giving you the some more problem and you also try to understand the problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Wait. So if you are, I am erasing this one and then I am writing this in the next page.
Okay, sir.
Here I am writing C double bond O, then I am writing O and H, right? If you are mentioning this one, so here is what is there. This is the C double OH group. Then this is what CH2 group. Then again this is CH2 group, right? This is again CH2 group, again going to be CH2 group, and lastly again going to be CH2 group. See, this is the CH3. So this is implies this position, this is this position, this is going to be this is going to be this is going to be this, and this carbon is telling this. So if you start the numbering, let us try to number it out. Here is this is 1, this is 2, this is going to be 3, here is the 4, this is going to be 5, and this one is 6. Similarly, you can mention that is the both compound are the same. 1, 2, this is 3. Here is 4, this is 5, and this is 6. Now, can you please tell me the name of this compound?
With hex.
Hex, super, very good. Hex, single bond that is N.
Hex N. 1. Or oic acid.
Hexane 1 oic acid. If the rule is saying if the double bond rule is saying if the functional group is on the first position, if the functional group is on first position, so you need not to mention the position. So also you can make explain HEXANOIC. This is also going to be correct only. Getting?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, no.
Yes, sir.
Now let us try to understand some more compound. How can you be able to understand? This is the C. I am writing a little bit. Wait. That is C will be the bond line formula only. I am teaching you. So here is that is O and H. Here is C double bond O, right? And here I am having what is there? I am having this one that is Cl, right? So you let me know this is the right direction. This is right, and here is that is the left. So which direction we have to start?
Sir, from OH.
From OH. Very good. See, the rule is saying if prefix, they are saying if prefix and secondary suffix. If prefix and secondary suffix. Secondary suffix means what? Jana, functional group. You know, secondary suffix means functional group. You know, secondary suffix means functional group. Okay. If prefix and secondary suffix present, prefix and secondary suffix present, both in compound, okay, both in compound, then start numbering from which direction? They start numbering from functional group direction. We start numbering from functional group site. Functional group site, right? So we what we are saying, this one, that is, you said that is very much correct one. So we are numbering this one. This is the carbon 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and this is 7, right? Naming order,
Yes,
you
sir.
know very well, that is we have to write, that is first of all we have to write the name of prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. So kindly tell me the name, Janab, what can be the name of this compound?
Sir, it will be,
Hmm.
wait, sir, chloro,
7
7
chloro,
chlorohexane,
7 chloro, hept,
chloroheptane,
hept,
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 HEPTA, and
hept, yes, yes.
and one oic acid.
Oic acid. Thank you very much, Janab. That is, you are understanding. You started understanding the IUPAC nomenclature. This is the 7 chloro hept 1 oic acid. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving for the another one. Let us try to go for the another. See, simply is there. See, another rule is I am mentioning. Here is the double bond O and here OH. And here is what is that is double bond is there. Okay, here double bond. So from the, you tell me this is the right side. Okay, right. And this one is, this direction is what is left. So with direction you will start numbering. Tell me, guess.
What, sir?
From which direction we should start numbering 1 to 3?
From OH, sir.
From OH group, OIC acid group. So
Yes,
what the
oic
rule is
acid.
saying, student, if primary and secondary suffix, if primary and secondary suffix both present, if primary and secondary suffix both present at same position, both present at same position, if both present at same position, then what they are saying, if both present at same position, then start numbering from, rule is saying start numbering from which direction we have to start numbering, start numbering from secondary suffix side. No, secondary suffix, secondary suffix. Okay, so what you are saying, that is very much correct only, right?
Yes,
Let
sir.
us try to write down the name, number 1. This is going to be 2. Here is, this is 3. This is 4. Here is 5, and this is going to be 6. Now we need to, we need to write the name. So naming order, you again you see what is the naming order. Firstly, we'll write the prefix, then word root, then primary suffix, then secondary suffix. Primary suffix is coming in that question after prefix and word root, and then oic acid is 4th position. So let us try to understand this one. Tell me.
Wait, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, what was double bond? Or wait, sir. Wait, sir. Sixth, sixth hexene.
No, Janab, see. Firstly, we have to write the prefix, but prefix was not there. Then we have to start from word root. We have to
Yes.
start from word root. Then primary suffix,
Yes.
we have to add
Yes.
in. Then secondary
Yes,
suffix, we
sir.
have to add oic acid. Now you tell.
Yes.
Tell me. We have to start from word root. How many carbon are there? 6. 6 carbon is
6.
hex.
Yes, sir. Hexene.
Hex 5 in. Hex 5 in. And then 1 oic acid. See what I did, I removed the E.
Okay, sir.
I removed the E. Why? Because O and E both are vowel. So we need to remove. So hex 5 in 1 oic
Yes.
acid. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, suppose the same compound, Janab, same compound, what I am doing. Okay, let us go in the next page. Better you can be able to understand. Here is the OH. Here is C double bond O. Here is what? Cl. Here is double bond is not this position actually. Let it be there. Here is also another is there. Here is the Br, right? And here is double bond. Now tell me the name. Now tell me where we should start numbering. This is from the OH group, this side. This is the left side, or this is the right side. Which side?
Sir, from COH side.
From this side only. Very good, very good. So you can start numbering from here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. Rule is formula you memorize, Jana. Formula please memorize. How much? Firstly, we have to write the name of prefix. Then we have to write the name of word root. Okay, word root. Then what we have to write, that is primary suffix, name of the primary what? Suffix, name of primary suffix. And lastly, we have to write the name of the secondary suffix. This is going to be what? Secondary suffix, right? Second. So primary prefix, you know na, F, Cl, you
Yes,
know
sir.
na, Br name already you know na, fluoro, chloro, bromo.
Yes, sir.
Word root for 5 carbon, you know very well, we have to write pen. Then we have to write double bond is there, means we have to write in. Then OC double OH group is there now, for that we will write the OIC acid. So now tell me the name of this compound, please. How can you be able to write the name?
Wait, sir.
Take your own time.
Wait, sir. 5
5
bromo, 4
bromo.
chloro.
No, 5 bromo, 5 chloro.
Okay, both are 5. Okay. 5 bromo, 5 chloro. Word root is C5 means pent. In
What
dash
position? 4.
En.
Pent 4 in.
Okay, 4 in 1 oleic acid.
See, it was quite tough, na? But you answered very well. Very good, very good. Can we move next? Or you want to write?
Yes, sir.
You want to write?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Done? Done?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to write down the one more example. Okay. So that you will be more perfect on that. Okay. Here I mentioned double bond O, and here is OH. Okay. And here is again I am mentioning the same double bond O, and here is OH. So that is what, if rule is saying that if 2 times, what that is, if 2 times C double OH group present, C double OH group present, then what we have to do, then its name is what? Name is dioic acid. Dioic acid. This will be the name. Its name will be what? Dioic acid. Okay, something came on the
Yes,
screen.
sir.
This name is dioic acid. Unnecessarily something started coming. Dioic acid. This is. Now tell me, which direction can we start? This or this? Which direction?
Yes, sir.
Which direction shall we start?
Any direction, sir.
Any of the direction. Oh, great. So any of the direction means we are starting from here. 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is going to be 5. Tell me the name. Tell me the name.
Wait, sir.
Hmm.
No. Pent
Paint.
dash en one
Paint.
en.
Ane. Single bond is there now. So pentane. An.
Okay, pentane. Sorry, pentane.
Hmm.
1 comma dioic acid.
1,5 dioic acid. Position we need to write now.
Yes, sir.
This compound is very simple. This is if you are writing now, this is the COOH, then it is the CH2, then it is CH2, then it is again going to be CH2, and lastly it is the COOH. So you can start numbering here 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. So that is what pent, single bond is in 1, 5. Pent 1, 5 di no oic acid. Is it okay?
Dioic acid. Yes, sir.
Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Or else if you want to write, always you tell me that I am writing weight. Like that you said.
No, sir. You
Ah,
can raise. I wrote.
okay, okay. Otherwise, I'm recording also. I'll send you that one link now. So when you free time, if you are having, so you can watch multiply by 2 na very fast speed. You can watch so that you can understand that all also. Right. Next
Yes,
one
sir.
is name of. No, we are going next one. That is name of. Name of alcohols. We are writing name of alcohols. That is right. So how we can write? That is firstly we have to do the numbering. Firstly, that is numbering. Then we have to write the prefix name. Prefix. Then we have to write that is word root. Word root. Word root. Then we have to write that is primary suffix. This is the primary suffix. And lastly, we have to write that is name of the secondary suffix. This is what secondary suffix. This is the name of secondary suffix. So here, if you want to do least number is rule, what they are saying rule. I'm writing here. Least number is given to whom we given to that carbon. Least number is given to that carbon which have what that is which have OH group. Okay, we have to give list number to that carbon which have OH group, right? This one prefix already know, that is FCl, Bri, CH3, all you know very well. Word root already you know very well. Primary suffix you know, that is ane, double bond is ene, triple bond is ine, you know. And OH group is there. If the OH is group is there, so what we are going to write here, let me erase this one. This laptop is hanging sometime. So if OH group is there, what this one OL, we have to use the OL term, right? So let us try to write down this one. Firstly, CH3, CH2, then again we are writing CH2, again CH2, and lastly we are having OH, right? So this is the carbon 1. We have to number the carbon only. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can have like this. So here you can see 4 is there now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can write little bit. Wait. Little no better diagram we are going to draw. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are writing that is OH, right? Then what will be there? Here is this is implies that CH2 group. This is CH2 group. Here is CH2 group, and this is CH3 group. Are you be able to understand this one?
Yes, sir.
So you numbered it out. That is 1, 2. Here is 3, and this is the 4. Jana, please tell me the name of this compound, please.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Wait, sir.
Hmm.
So I will start from what? So, uh, wait, sir. Wait. Butanol. Butanol.
But, then single bond. Ane, E I am removing.
N O L.
Butane, 1 all.
1 all.
Are you be able to
Yes, sir.
understand? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Super, super, super. I'm erasing this one and I'm asking you some more problem on this. Okay. So that you try to answer me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. This is OH and here is we are having that is Cl. Tell me which direction we should start numbering.
OH.
OH. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Right. So
4 chloro.
4 chloro, very good. 4 chloro,
4 chloro.
hmm,
Bute.
bute,
AN.
bute AN,
1 OL.
OL. 4 chlorobutane 1 all. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Super,
Yes,
very.
sir.
Mhm. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. See, this one. OH and OH. Tell me the name of this compound. We are numbering like the 1, this is 2, this is 3. Tell me.
We can start from any side, sir.
Yeah. Okay, name. Two times two times is there.
Diol.
Very good. Tell me.
Uh, 3 is known as meat is prop. Yes,
Uh,
sir. Prop.
uh,
AN
uh,
dash 1.
hmm,
No, 1, 3.
3
Oh, diol.
diol. So E I am removing here. Hmm. Propane 1,3 diol. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Super. Write down. Very good. Yeah, suppose we are writing this one. Here is
Yes, sir.
OH. Here is OH. Here is OH. Then we have to
Also.
start numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, and 4. Tell me. Because here two groups are the nearer, na? So that we started numbering from this side. So tell me the name. 4 carbon is there. So that is bute,
Yes, sir.
single bond ane. What is there? 1, comma 2, comma 4. Try
Sir.
all. Butane 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 4, try all. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Wait, sir. 1 minute.
Uh.
I'm writing down.
Okay, right. If it is done, then tell me.
1 minute, sir.
I'm waiting. No problem at all.
1 minute, sir. Just 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Done.
No, sir. Just 1 minute.
Okay. Tell me.
Yes, and done.
Done. Okay. So we are going to write the another one. Some more example. Let us practice on this one. Okay. You write down this one.
Yes, sir.
Here is the CH3 group, and here is the OH. This one. Right.
यहाँ है class चल.
Here is the CH3. Then it will be CH. Here is CH3. Then here is CH. Downside, that is OH. Here is CH3. Tell me, which direction we have to number? From this side, right side, or this one is from this side, left side? Tell me. Which side we should start numbering? This side or
Sir, it will be equal if we start from both the sides, I guess.
no? We have to see that is which side OH is getting less number. No, less number is given
Okay,
to that
from
carbon which have OH group.
left.
So that is left.
Left
So this
side,
is
sir.
1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, right? If CH3 group is there, its name is methyl. This is name is methyl. Okay, this is prefix. So tell me the name of this.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a bit confusing, sir.
See, the prefix is there now. First of all, we have to write the name of this now. So this is the CH3
Yes,
group there now. See,
methyl.
1, 2, 3, and 4. So third position, what position methyl is there? 3 methyl. Yes or no? See, 3 methyl.
Yes, sir.
Then what root is there? How much? That is bute. 3 methyl bute. Single bond is there. Butane. 2.
Yes, sir.
3 methyl butane 2 all. Butane. No, this is the butane. And here is 2 all. Is it okay? 3 methyl butane
Yes,
2
sir.
all. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us try to write down some more difficult problem. Janab, when it will cut na, again you rejoin na, for the whatever time is there, we will study 10 more minutes. Okay, time is there. It will cut after 40 minutes, it gets disconnected na. So we have to again. So Janab, here is the OH group is there. So we have to write down the name of this compound. How we can be able to write the name of this compound? If I am writing the structure of this compound, this is CH3, then it is C, here is OH, here is CH3, and here is CH3. Little tough. This is the little tough. The longest chain we have to select, that is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. 1, 2, 3. So second position, the carbon OH is there. So how to write? This is the prefix. So that is going to be 2 methyl. Okay. Then word root is how much there? Pro, single bond N,